Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to start how to set up environment file in node.js. First, install npm init. Second, install Express framework. Install .env file. env file in the root of your project .env file, and go to create another one index.js file with port number 5000. Import Express framework. Create instance of Express application const app Express function. This line import and configure the .env model. Const port process .env port default 3000. This line set up the port number for the server and process .env port. Storing configure in the environment separate from code. Root. This code defined root for the HTTP get request to the root URL. Get start server. Something missing. 5000 port number port .env listen 3000 sorry, this one is missing. Yeah, server listening on the port 5000. Okay, I have removed and check it another time. Run on the server 3000, server default, server running on 3000. Again run the server 5000. Yeah, env file is there. Okay, now